Hello everyone, I'm back and I'm here to show you a quick tutorial on how to change or edit the background of this photo to this blurry black and white and to this blurry or perfect blurry background or to this black and white background. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. Alright, so all we have to do is just to go to our home page in Canva and we will be selecting or we're gonna just create the exact size of the photo. Okay, that's 2048 by 1532. So that's the size of the photo. 20, there you go, and 1532. That's in pixels. Okay, just click on create new design. There you go. So once we have this blank template, so we're gonna just have to upload the photo that we want to edit and just stretch the photo to the corners of the template and then click on edit image. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is to have this black background color, okay? So we're gonna change this and then click on edit image and then click on filters, and you have two black and white here, but I will be choosing the street one because the other one is having a light black right there, but I want to choose the street black and white. So click on apply, and then what we're gonna do is to add the same photo. Okay, and same procedure, just stretch the photo and then click on edit image and remove background. Just click on apply and you already have a black and white background. Alright, now let's go to the next one. So what we're gonna do is this perfect blurry background. Okay, we already have autofocus in Canva, but it seems that it's not working perfectly in some pictures. I'm gonna show you guys, okay? So I'll be selecting the same picture here and stretch the photo on all the corners of the template and click on autofocus. There you go. As you can see, the background is not perfectly blurry. There's some spots here that are not that blurry. Okay, check this out. So there, I'm adjusting it to have the perfect blurry background, but yeah, it seems that it's not working perfectly. So what we're gonna do is um, I'll be having this blur position to 0 and this one up here to, let me see, to 15. Okay, no, okay, I'll go back to 15 and click on apply. We'll just have to wait until the blurry background applies. So as you can see, the picture is all blurry, so what we have to do is to add the same picture. Alright, so add the same picture here and same procedure, stretch it out, select or edit image, remove background. Click apply. As you can see, you have a perfect blurry background, and that's how you do it. So now let's go to the next one. Okay, we're gonna have this black and white blurry background. All the procedures on the first picture and the second picture, so we're just gonna combine it. Okay, I'm adding this photo, edit image, autofocus, and then 0. This one is 15. And then click on apply. Again, we just have to wait a bit. And when all is blurry, then we're just gonna have to edit the image again. There you go. So edit image and click on filters. Just scroll down a bit, click on street, just what we have selected a while ago, and there you go. We already have a blurry background picture, okay, of black and white. So again, let's just add the original photo, stretch it out on all the corners of the template, and click on edit image and remove background. Ta-da! So that's the magic there. So yeah, that's how easy it is to change the background. So let's zoom this a bit to see how good the picture is. See, that's my family actually. Alright, so that's it for today, and I hope you like our tutorial. Just click on subscribe button, and of course like and share this video to reach more people who wants to learn photo editing in Canva. Okay, that's it for today. Have a blessed day. See you on my next tutorials. God bless you guys. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.